Hey lovelies, my name's Lady, and in this video I will be doing a plan with me with the Vintage Bloom sticker kit from Mystic Magnolia. Oh my goodness, I'm super excited on how my kit turned out, or how my spread turned out in my planner. And if you haven't been watching our videos, we are doing a collaboration. So I'm using the Vintage Bloom in my planner, she's using it in her planner. So watch my video, and at the end I'll give you a super awesome link that you seriously don't want to miss out on. Okay, so I'm still trying to get over how gorgeous the sticker kit is. I mean, seriously gorgeous. And I'm loving all the blues and the purples, and it's just, Anyway, so if you've watched my plan with me's before, then you know that I like to start at the top of my planner and work my way down. So we're starting with 4 today stickers on this side, and on the next side, I'll be placing just blank today stickers because there weren't 7 of them, but I had a lot of fun doing it with the blank stickers as well, and it still matched. So I know in previous videos, Horsefeather Peculiar said that she loves how each day matches. And also Stephanie, I did have a comment from Stephanie saying that she does prefer this way of planning where everything matches all the way down, and I couldn't disappoint because I do like this too. I know I said I'd try to switch it up, but I really can't help it. For me, I just like to see the whole day match all the way from top to bottom. So we have placed the full boxes under the today headers, and now we're placing the to-do headers with, and I think these are just so gorgeous because they have their ombre, they're patterned, these check boxes, and they have like this interesting like circular star design on them. So I like this a lot. I don't think I've ever planned with a sticker kit that had that type of check box to check off your to-do list, and checking off your to-do list is just oh so satisfying. So I really liked it. And now placing the rest of the check boxes on this side of the planner. Yes, and now we're moving on to the third section, and I'm so happy that there were a lot of extra washi so that I could keep my style the same from top to bottom and on both sides of my planner. And here I'm placing different headers as well, like one says remember, and it's just things that are important or little things that I need to do throughout the day is what I am using this section for. And now we are placing date covers. I don't typically use date covers, but I was like, hey, you know what? It's here. We're going to use them. We're going to have fun with them. So we put date covers at the very top of the planner. And now I feel like this kind of ties the whole planner spread together with a pretty bow, the bottom washi. This bottom washi is for an Erin Condren planner, which is totally fine because my stickers also, this planner that I'm using also works for an Erin Condren planner style stickers. And next I was like, you know what, that weekend banner, we're gonna put it kind of diagonal across the planner. And now I'm adding just little pieces and touches here and there. Her little icon deco, I don't know the proper term for it, but like work, and it has like a laptop on it, and it's just super cute, and like arrows and different things. So we are placing all those things in for different days that I have planned for different things, and we're using different half boxes and just going through and just filling in all the different functional stickers and things like that. So the next question I have for you is, when you plan your week, do you like to put your stickers in your planner and then plan your week, or do you have some sort of like checklist that you already have prepped before you put in your stickers and plan your week? And let me know in the comments below. This time, because my camera didn't die on me, you get to see me finish the planner sticker spread. You see that I got to finish the sidebar, and that is a lot of fun. I like how she also had another sticker with like a beautiful floral that I put down at the bottom of the planner on the right side. As you can see, super gorgeous sticker kit. Now you need to go over to Mystic Magnolia, click the link below, check out the sticker kit, check out her video, and see how she plans with her stickers, because we have such different planning styles that you're definitely going to get inspired by the way that she plans. So I'm super excited for you to dive in.